Hi everyone, I'm Sara Lee and I'm the designer of this beautiful pattern collection in collaboration with Two Pages. I'm also a content creator of all things upscale DIY, unique interior styling, custom furniture building, and so much more. My goal has always been to create luxurious designs that are unique yet approachable. I wanted to show my audience that it's possible to achieve a high-end look with custom curtains by simply measuring yourself, ordering everything custom with Two Pages, simple instructions online, and installing them yourself. My collection consists of 3 beautiful timeless patterns: floral, leaves, and plaid. There are a total of 17 different variations to choose from. I wanted to create a line that would bring in pattern and texture, something to achieve the look of wallpaper without the commitment. I chose a few different patterns that would be subtle enough to work in any space. One a little bit more feminine, another more classic, and one in between. When I was designing this collection, I considered colors that are timeless and neutral. I created subtle variations of earthy tones for cohesiveness with any home and style. I sampled and adjusted each color and pattern to perfect each piece. The tricky part was forming the exact tones in real life that I was imagining in my head. Translating what's on a screen to the actual fabricated finished product was a challenge. It took many swatches and multiple comparisons in different lighting to achieve the collection that I was envisioning. However, it turned out amazing, and I'm so incredibly happy with every single one.